Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Ritter R215 face frame clamp. It does have a 5-foot by 8-foot capacity. Adjustable squaring channel at the base and left side. Three overhead clamps. No air leaks. No issues. You do have the rubber pads on all three. Sometimes they're missing. Does roll back and forth easily. That top is 1 inch thick. Nice sturdy built machine. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.